Imagine if I told you that the video you're watching was created using a completely free AI video generator, one that competes head-to-head with the most expensive tools in terms of speed, precision, and quality. If you've been on the lookout for affordable AI animation tools that deliver pro-level results without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Pixverse version 3.5. Let's dive in and discover how this groundbreaking tool can transform your creative process. To get started, simply visit the Pixverse website and sign up. Follow along by clicking the link in the pinned comment or the description box. Once you do, you'll be prompted to either create a new account or sign in if you're already registered. Let me break down what you're seeing. You have a showcase of images that have been transformed into videos using Pixverse's latest model, version 3.5. On the left, there's the creation panel where you can generate images, apply various effects, browse through animation options, and access different assets to begin your project. Hit Create. If you're new, this area might be empty, but since I've been testing it, I already have some videos here. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this in-depth look at how Pixverse works, now's the perfect time to join our community at TechRise. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment below. Your support fuels our mission to bring you the best in affordable AI tools and creative tips. You'll also notice a floating toolbar that lets you create different types of videos. First, let's convert an image of a particular animated character into a video. Click on Image and Text and upload your chosen image. Be sure to select version 3.5, the most recent model, to ensure optimal results. Next, describe the animation you want, such as Luigi and Mario dancing. Under the time section, you can choose between a 5-second or an 8-second duration. I'll opt for 5 seconds. For the speed settings, there are 4 choices: fastest, 2 times, 4 times slower, and 8 times slower. Based on your desired quality, I'm selecting fastest for high-resolution output. As for the style option, I won't pick one for now, but I'll show you how to use styles later. Under mode, I've chosen normal, ideal for a slow, calm movement, but if you need faster action, you can switch to performance mode. Once everything is set, click Create to begin the process. After the video is generated, you'll see how well the image comes to life. Next, let's extend the clip. Unlike many AI tools that produce awkward transitions when extending videos, Pixverse handles it effortlessly. Just click the Extend button. The tool will take the last frame of your video and use it as the starting point for the extension. Type in what you'd like next, for example, Mario and Luigi continue singing, and hit Create. The extension is so smooth that you barely notice the transition. And that wraps up part 1 of our deep dive into Pixverse version 3.5. In the next video, we'll explore even more features, including advanced effects, transitions, and how to further enhance your videos using this tool. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from TechRise.